We are now ready to explore Dart as an object-oriented language, and that means that we are going to talk about classes. And classes are the main building blocks for writing programs in object-oriented languages. So, what is a class? A class is a custom type that can hold both variables and functions. And this means that we can use classes to hold data as well as the functionality that is relevant for that data. So we are now ready to explore classes, and our first goal is to create a class that can be used to represent a person. So after the main function, we can now type in class and then person, which is the name of the class, and then we need a pair of curly braces. And then we need to define some member variables, which are going to be the name, age, and height that we have already used over here. So to do that, I can type in string name, semicolon, and then int age, semicolon, and double height, semicolon. And notice that when we declare variables in classes, we need to define a type, and we can't just use bar or final. And this is because here we are declaring the class member variables, but we are not initializing them, so the compiler doesn't know what type they are unless we declare it explicitly. Now, before we go ahead, let me clear the contents of the main function, just like this. And now that we have a simple class, let's see how we can create an instance of that class. So here I can type in final person equals, and then person with a capital P, and then open and close brackets and semicolon. And this is how we create an instance of the class person. Okay, so we have seen how to declare a class and how to create an instance of that class. So let's continue on the next video.